The little red box. There is a small wooden box in my neighborhood. It looks like a tiny house on a tall post. It is painted bright red. This is a little library. Inside, there are many books for children and adults. Anyone can take a book for free. If you have a book you do not need, you leave it inside for a neighbor. It is a kind way to share stories with friends. I found my favorite book in this little red box today. What is inside the wooden box? What should you do if you have a book you do not need?
English Score Lab.